Yeah, for me it was disappointing because a big crash in race one. I have some injury, and also I have to use my second bike for race one. So the pace today was not as fast as I thought. With race tyre I was doing 55 zeros yesterday, and today everybody a little slower. So disappointed we could not challenge for the win, but to get a podium under these conditions, I am happy. Yeah, racing's racing. Anything can happen, and I have 3 weeks for my injury, and now I can rest and come strong for Imola.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ciao.